Tahitian cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors, deeply connected to the island's oceanic surroundings. Seafood like the revered tuna and mahi-mahi is not just food but a cultural emblem. The simplicity of dishes such as Poisson Cru, the national dish, showcases the island's culinary prowess, blending indigenous techniques with the bountiful sea harvest. The essence of Tahitian cuisine lies in the harmonious blend of fresh, local ingredients. Coconut, breadfruit, and taro leaves are staples, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of tastes. Poisson cuisine, with its ancient cooking techniques and French influence, adds to the dynamic food scene, innovating while honoring tradition. Traditional cooking techniques like the umu, an earth oven, and the hima, pit roasting, are central to Tahitian cuisine. These methods, which include slow-cooking food wrapped in banana leaves, impart unique flavors and textures, connecting diners to the island's heritage and the communal spirit of Polynesian meals. The local markets of Tahiti are a sensory experience, where selecting the freshest ingredients is an art. Engaging with vendors, understanding seasonality, and choosing vibrant produce and seafood with clear eyes and firm flesh are key to an authentic Tahitian culinary experience. Building relationships with vendors enriches your journey, offering insights into the freshest catches and harvests. In intimate cooking classes, you'll master the art of seafood preparation with experts like John Lowe. Limited to 8 people, these classes offer personalized guidance in selecting, cleaning, and cooking seafood. You'll learn to create dishes that celebrate the ocean's bounty and gain the confidence to bring a taste of Tahiti to your own kitchen. The culmination of your culinary adventure is tasting the dishes you've crafted. Poisson Cru, Fafa, and Fa'i are just a few of the traditional delights you'll savor. This tasting is a celebration, not just of the food, but of the skills and cultural appreciation you've gained. It's a feast that tells the story of Tahiti, a narrative woven from the threads of its rich culinary tradition. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.